Hello, today I'm coming to you from my latest baby, Balm Studios in downtown Brooklyn. It is a photography and art studio open for any creative endeavors and workshops. One of the beauties of owning your own home is being able to customize and renovate. But which renovations are worth it? Today I'm going to talk to you about whether or not your renovation plans will help you with appreciation. So anything that's a structural improvement is a do. This includes, but is not limited to, your plumbing, electrical, new windows, new roof, mechanicals. Any of those type of improvements will increase the value of your home and help you with your costs as well. Adding square footage is also a definite value add. For example, if you add another bathroom, if you add another bedroom, if you add an extension to your house, adding any type of extra space to the house will help appreciate the value. And let's talk about cosmetic renovations. While they can help with appeal, you have to be careful with the cost of the cosmetic renovations that you choose to do, because they can be very expensive if you choose to use certain types of paints and stone. When it comes to cosmetic renovations, this would be the one place that you may want to reconsider if you splurge, because you may not get your money back in the value of what you spend versus the value of what your home will appreciate at. And similar to cosmetic renovations, whenever you are considering interior design, if it is tailored to your taste, it may not be tailored to someone else's. So you could be spending lots of money on decor and furniture that fits your needs, but may not be able to sell for the same value or help you sell your home, especially if it's very tailor-made. And my final pointer for home upgrades is, while modernizing your home systems, and which could include your appliances and HVAC systems, is a great idea. You want to be mindful of the technology you use. A lot of today's tech will be obsolete tomorrow. So make sure when making technological advances to your property that it is something that can easily be adjusted or upgraded in the future. And that's it for my keys for the do's and don'ts of home renovations, what will add value and what will most likely not add value. If you're considering renovating and have any questions about real estate and how much your renovations can add to your home, feel free to reach out. As always, I'm here to help.